Welcome to the instructions video for the Slope Stability Safety Factor Calculator. This powerful geotechnical tool helps you determine whether a slope is stable by calculating the factor of safety. It compares the resisting forces from soil strength against the driving forces from gravity to assess landslide risk. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several soil and slope parameters. Start by entering the slope angle in degrees, typically between 15 and 45 degrees for most applications. Next, input the soil cohesion value in kilopascals, which represents how well soil particles stick together. Enter the soil unit weight in kilonewtons per cubic meter, usually around 18 for typical soils. Provide the internal friction angle, which indicates the soil's shear resistance. Input the depth to the potential failure plane in meters. Finally, if groundwater is present, enter the pore water pressure. The calculator then displays your factor of safety. Values above 1.5 indicate a stable slope, while values below 1.0 suggest potential failure. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.